Hi, Grave Master. Chances are, if you're using a wood target, the grain is incorrect. That's often what happens with people that throw. If you want an easy target, I suggest you get cardboard or styrofoam. Those are very soft, very easy. There's no grain to them. But when you're working with wood like this, you can see obviously the grain is going up and down vertically. So I have to throw these shuriken vertically to stick well, if you're interested in sticking. When I was a kid, all I cared about was, oh, it didn't stick in the target, that was a bad throw. And of course, that's not what shuriken are for. So the idea of throwing these is to stick them in just long enough to cut and then they fall out, or just to slash a little bit at the opponent in order to close distance. These are just distractors. They're not weapons of death or anything like that. They're just another tool in the samurai or ninja's kit in order to have an advantage. They are force multipliers. That's all. So if I throw this horizontally, I'll show you, it won't stick. See? Because the grain of wood is so tight, so dry, that unless they're unbelievably sharp, their chances of sticking are very, very low. However, if you throw and miss, it's okay. I hit where I was aiming for, so I don't care if it sticks or not because it would have hurt the opponent. Make sure you throw with some oomph. Now, if I throw these vertically, here, watch me throw vertically, they stick because that's the way the wood is going. Make sure you are throwing the way the wood grain is. Here are some heavy shuriken. I'll show you these. These are some sure strike shuriken, but these are not sharp. They're very dull. So forget about these sticking. They're just going to bounce every time, see? But again, if I throw vertically, there's a much better chance of them sticking. Better if you throw them vertically. Here's two more. These will not stick. Three more because they're going against the grain. You've heard that phrase, don't go against the grain. That's exactly what happens when your targets are incorrect. So if you're interested in sticking the shuriken in the target because you think that's more impressive for your friends or it looks better, get a chunk of wood where the grain is circular, like the end of a stump. Get some styrofoam, get some cardboard, what we call a soft target. With a hard target like that, you're going to have to pay attention to the way that the wood is set up. Good luck on your throws, Grave Master, and everybody else. Remember, when you're throwing at any type of target, just be careful and have fun. Have fun.